Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a Toyota Land Cruiser key. First, ensure you have a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery ready. Look for the small slot on the side of your key fob. Carefully insert the flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, you can begin to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the internal components. Locate the small, circular battery, which is typically a CR2032. It's usually held in place by small clips. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry the old battery out of its compartment. Be gentle to avoid bending the metal contacts. Note the orientation of the old battery before removal, as the new one will need to be inserted the same way. Now take your new CR2032 battery. Observe the positive plus side, which usually has markings. Insert the new battery into the compartment, making sure the positive side faces up, just like the old one. Press it down gently until it clicks securely into place. Double-check that the battery is flush and properly seated. This ensures good contact and proper function. With the new battery installed, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely closed. Now, it's time to test your key fob. Try locking and unlocking your Land Cruiser's doors to ensure everything is working correctly. If it doesn't work, reopen and check the battery orientation. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.